Today we revise chapter 3, ruling the countryside of history. So here on your screen defines the following. First question defines the following. So first is Mahal. Raise your hand who know the answer of Mahal. Yes, Varuni.
Ma'am, revenue.
No. Anyone else? Mahal. Yes, Anshika.
In British revenue records, Mahal is a revenue estate which may be a village or a group of villages.
Yes, according to the company, the Mahal revenue record, the Mahal is a revenue state. And in this state, one village will be maybe coming or the group of villages. Now the next one is Zamindar. Zamindar. Anya, roll number 1.
Ma'am, a landowner.
A land owner. Anyone else? RF Sehgal, RF Sehgal. Zamindar. In permanent settlement.
Ma'am, zamindars are those who own land
Own land. Other one.
and they collect revenue.
Yes, they collect the revenue. They play a role as mediator between peasants and company who collect the tax from the rent from the peasant and pay to the company. Collect the tax rent from the farmer and pay to the company. Give complete answer. Next term is plantation. Plantation. Plantation, yes, Akshita Semwal.
A large farm operated by a planter employing various forms of forced labor.
Plantation are associated with the production of coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, tea and cotton. Next, slave. Surbi. Define slave. Anya Khara.
Ma'am, a slave is a person who is owned by someone else.
Someone who follow the instruction of their master. Bigha. Priyanshi. Bigha. Define Bigha. Yes, Priyanshi. Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am. In South Asia, a measure of a land layer.
South Asia, a unit of measurement of land. Like our houses on gauges, yards. Okay. So in farmland, agricultural land, measure in bighar. Next is satta. Satta. Yes, Aryan Singh.
Ma'am, an agreement.
Agreement. The agreement that was used in which system? In Rioti system, not Nij. The planter get agreement which is signed by the farmers or the zamidar, the headman of the village. On that basis, the indigo cultivation organize that area. So the royalty system of cultivation of indigo depend on these agreement. The next one is Lathial. Neha.
The Lathyal were employed by the indigo planter to terrorize peasant who is the lack of proper working condition.
Lathial,
Denied working.
the labor, the person, those were hired by the planter as the strong man, light welding strong man, as a protector. Yes. Now the next one is a match the following. (1765). Which incidents related to associate with the date 1765? Yes, R.S. Sehgal.
Ma'am, East India Company gets Diwali.
East India Company gets Diwani.
Yes, ma'am.
17, yes. So here is the number 1. Now 1770 associate with which incidents? Yes, Surbhi. Unmute yourself, Surbhi. Varuni.
Bengal famine.
Yes. Now the next one is 1793. 1793. Which settlement introduced in 1793? Yes, Akshita Sempal.
Ma'am, permanent settlement.
Permanent settlement. Yes. 1822. 1822. Yes, Anya, roll number 1.
Ma'am, Holt Manganese devices new revenue system.
That which system? Name that. Mahalwari.
Malware system.
And in 1917, Mahatma Gandhi visit Champaran. Okay, everyone. Now Phillips. Is it okay? Phillips. The company had become Divan when it still saw itself primarily as a RN Singh. Anshika.
I don't know the answer.
Okay, anyone else? Anya Khara.
Ma'am, trader.
Traders, yes. British use a variety of method to expand that of crop that they needed. Which method? Variety of method to expand the which thing? Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, indigo.
Variety of method to expand the cultivation of crops. Cultivation. Next, plant producing a rich blue dye is called. Okay, Surbhi.
Ma'am, wood.
Rich blue color. Yes, Arav Sehgal.
Ma'am, indigo.
Indigo. By the 19th century, Indian indigo was being used by cloth manufacturers in dash, dash and dash to dye clothes. Where the 13th century Indian indigo used by different country, name that countries. Yes, Anya, roll number 1.
Ma'am, Italy, France, and Germany.
Yes. Come to the next. Who was the Governor General of India when the permanent settlement was introduced? Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, Cornwallis.
Cornwallis, yes, Cornwallis. From the year 1819 to 1826, Thomas Munro was the governor of Madras, Punjab, Bengal, none of these. Neha?
Ma'am, none of these.
No, he was the governor of Madras. Champaran movement was started in the year 1920, 1925, 1917, 1922. Champaran movement. Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, 1917.
1917. The African slaves who worked on the plantation rose in rebellion in 1791, 1792, 1720, 1794. Yes, Surbhi.
Ma'am, 1791.
1791. Next, in which year France abolished slavery in the French colonies? 1785, 1790, 1788 or 1792? Yes, Naman Rana. Naman Rana. Turn on your camera. Yes, answer is 1792. Saint Domingo is located in Brazil, Spain, Caribbean island or America? Anya Khera.
Ma'am, Caribbean Islands.
Yes, Caribbean island. When the permanent settlement was introduced, Governor General of India was Lord Clive. It was already done. In British India, which one of the following states grown cotton? Bihar, Bengal, Assam, Maharashtra. Which state grown cotton? Aryan Singh. Where the black soil found, that area cotton grown. Aryan Singh, answer this question. Roll number 1, Anya.
Ma'am, Brazil.
अरे इंडियन स्टेट की बात कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, Assam.
No. Yes, Varuni.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, yes. Maharashtra is the right answer.